Welcome to Busted. Today I'll show you how to add page numbers in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. So first, open up your InDesign and search for Pages panel. If you don't see it here, go to Windows and make sure Pages is checked. After that, you will have a parent for your pages. So you go to the parent page, and here we have to add a text block like this. Let's type A and highlight this text. Go to type and insert special character, markers, current page numbers, and that's it. So let's align this and let's copy this, paste it here for the second page, and here I go back to my file. I can see page number here, but I cannot see it here because this page has a parent B. So let's go to parent B. Let's paste it again, and automatically InDesign will change it from A to B. And let's align this one. And if we go back here, you can see page number here. That's it. It's pretty easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you need help with InDesign or have a video idea, let me know and I'll try to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials, and see you next time.